Hello everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds with special guest Matthias Gary, only because he's at this stage, he's kind of getting out of his bed and I can't want to stay in, so he's messing his nap time up. But anyway, briefly, I want to share something about your nutrition 90 seconds about a lot of people have issues with time as it comes down to eating healthier. But one thing I did want to share briefly, I may share some more other videos, but like they always say, whatever you deem as important or priority, you will make time for. You know, like people say, make time for what you want to make time for. But I believe that it still can be true in nutrition and health as well. And I think when I was working at 8 to 5, and I did that almost 10 years. And I had two small kids, and they were just picking up stuff off this, and they were in daycare. So I would come home after 5:30, and I still would, fix a meal. Not that I probably felt like I was coming, I did. But I did that because, for me, that was something I wanted to make a priority in our house. So there's a time for eating out and all that, but that's something I want to make priority. Most days of the week, I'm cooking a meal. So even when I was working, I was still doing. I had two small kids. So it's possible, but I think it's based on your priority. If you feel like your health is important enough, I think you will kind of make time for it, even though it can get kind of busy. Especially if you have kids. I have 3 now, 1 on the way, but it can get kind of busy. But when I was working, I still did it. So even if you're working, when I was working, I still did it. And that doesn't mean that the meal is going to be this big, large, fancy meal all the time. But you can do inexpensive, budget-friendly meals for you and your family. So it is possible. So I would just ask this question: how important is your health to you? That'll be the question I would ask. Because if your health is important to you on a certain level, you will set some priority to make sure you do what you have to do, to make those changes. So that's all I want to say today. Just kind of think about how important is your health. Are you willing to make the sacrifice that it takes to, be healthier? And for some people, it may be just cooking at home more. That may be something you want to do. So just always know you can check out my website, www.stepsforchange.net, full of simple, easy, budget-friendly recipes. And I did post one Tuesday, so it's very simple, very easy, so you can do it. So just how important is your health? Are you willing to do what it takes to be healthier for you and your family? See ya. Bye. Bye.